Alright, what's up guys? It's Myles from Eric and Myles, and today I'm shooting a review of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Focus please. There we go. I got this device about I'd say like 3 months ago, and I have been using it every single time I go out to shoot since. So I got this for $250 US on eBay, and on Amazon right now it's going for about $350. Lewis, come here. What's up? What's up? How's it going? Alright, get out of here. Go. Alright, so this device alone has lots of capabilities. So it shoots in 4K, 1080p, 60 frames per second. That's the max compatibility. It weighs about 116 grams, which is insane for what it does. So it has a 70-minute charging time, which you know, for this it's nice. Just like plug it in somewhere. It charges with a USB-C charger that it comes with, obviously. So the electronic shutter speed goes from about 8 seconds to 1/8,000th of a second. Its operating time on its max battery life is about 140 minutes while shooting 1080p and 30 frames per second. So it has an amazing range. I'll show you some of the features right now. There's a fast follow mode right here. You can switch to slow follow mode or fast follow mode. You can see how this affects how fast the gimbal is going to follow your target, which is pretty nice for like those slower pan shots, less action style. If I switch it off to fast follow mode right here, it's obviously now going to turn much faster as you're filming your subject. If you want while filming with this, you can actually swipe up and then click rotate the camera, and it'll go right into selfie mode. If you slide to the left on your device, right here, you'll see that it shows you all your clips that you've taken on that device. You can select photo, video, slow-mo, or time-lapse, and also there's a pan mode that you can record panoramas with. It's really nice, actually. I've used it a few times. I don't usually use the display on this device unless I'm just like out of my pocket, out of the case it comes in right here. If you go to accessories here, you'll see that there's a wireless module option. That is right here. This little device right here is $60, which is insane for what it does. It should really just be built into this device here because honestly, I don't use this without the wireless module. What this wireless module does right here is connects you to the app, which means once you download the DJI Mimo app, you can go to your phone and actually connect to your device. So you can plainly see here that on my phone, I am controlling the gimbal head right now. So right now on my phone, there's a display and it shows me exactly what I'm seeing through the eyes of my camera right here. The app is really an extension of the camera, but I personally would not use this camera without the app. So I would encourage you to unfortunately make the purchase, buy this device right here. It is going to change how you use this camera. So you can go to the DJI Mimo home and interact with lots of other tutorials and videos of showing you how to work this camera right here, which is super nice. It helped me in the beginning. Go to your Osmo Pocket library as well and view all your clips and see what else you can do with your camera. But honestly, I've used this to shoot so many things. Lots of fast-paced environments where with my camera handheld, I would not be able to capture what I capture with this device right here in such good quality. I recommend it for any filmmakers that just are on the go all the time and just need something in their pocket that they can pull out and just record whenever they need. I can't wait to see what else I can do with it, and I definitely can't wait to see what else you guys can do with it. So if any of you make any review videos on this camera or notice anything that I didn't state that you liked about the camera, drop that in the comments and tell me your experience with this device so far. Thank you for watching. I will see you. Peace out.